Guys, this vehicle that we have right here, they brought it down for us from Dallas, Texas. It's a Silverado, crew cab, short bed. It's a really beautiful truck. We like these types of trucks. What the customer wants on it is to be Raptor, like the Hummer that we just did, but he wants it an even darker charcoal gray. So we're gonna hook him up. He chose a color and it looks really beautiful, guys. So stay tuned for this one.
All right, guys. So the customer wants this whole truck. It's called Raptor charcoal gray. So we're gonna Raptor this part charcoal gray, and this part he wants to stay the same. The only part that he wants Raptor black is this part right here. So I'm gonna start taking this off, and I'm gonna start sanding it down. All right, I'm gonna get my stuff. All right, guys. So the truck looks pretty good. Looks beautiful. Everything looks straight. The customer really took care of his truck. It looks really nice, actually. The only thing there is wrong is the minor few dents right here. There's one right here, and there's two on the other side. But also the customer told us that he doesn't want the molding, so I hate to do it, guys, but I'm gonna start taking them off.
All right, guys, that's for me. I'm gonna start sanding, so let's get to it.
Alright, guys, so we're pretty much done sanding the whole entire truck. We're gonna start getting ready to start taping up all the windows, the doors, the mirrors, the grill, and the back bumper and the front bumper. As soon as we're done with that, we're gonna start cleaning with paint thinner, so we'll be ready to shoot the Raptor. So let's get to it.
Oh my God, what the one-handed paint mixer?
Yep.
You're mixing paint with one hand?
Yep. Like I can't help out as much, but I'm helping out as much as I can by mixing paint.
All right, well, somebody's here, so let's go this way.
Okay, guys, so today we have a special guest. This is our little cousin David. He's 11 years old.
I thought his name was Eddie.
No, his name is David.
Oh, David.
He's been on our channel since day one. He's always been commenting on our videos that he wants to come in. So we did him the honor for him to come. So he's gonna be here just for today, just to see how we do, how we work and stuff. So let's get him a shirt, the guest one. So
you're gonna hang out today?
Yes.
All right.
All right. Put it on.
I'm gonna tell you what right now, you look better than these guys. I almost fired Kafur right now.
Really?
I looked up and I almost fired him right there.
Oh.
All right. All right, David. So everybody here at the Raptor Paint Job RGB team, everybody has a job, and basically everybody has to be communicating, because if we don't communicate, then the job doesn't get done. And we're on a very tight schedule, so everybody has to make sure that they're doing their part in order for the trucks to come out in a week. Like right here, if you see Art, he's already done sanding down all the areas, and basically what he's doing, he's starting to tape up the windows ready for paper, because if all goes well, this truck, we should be ready to start spraying the Raptor, the first quarter Raptor, tomorrow. So that's what he's doing right there. Okay, now come this way. Now right here, if you see Kafu, what he's doing is that since Art already started taping, Kafu's going back and he's making sure that all the clear coat, look, if you see right here, come here. If you see right here, you see how right here it's shiny, but right here it's not?
Yes.
In all the shiny parts right there, the Raptor won't stick. So what Kafu's doing is he's going very carefully, making sure that there's no more shiny parts. So look, you see right here, he has to sand down all of this right here. He has to make sure that all the shiny parts are down from here. Look, there's another one right there. You see that? He has to take that one off right here. He has to make sure that all the shiny parts are gone just so that the clear coat could, I'm sorry, the Raptor can stick. And if you see over there, Rolly's over there mixing paint, getting ready for the truck. All right.
Hey, what's up, David?
Hi.
Come here, sit with me. I wanna show you something. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm mixing paint. Customer, when they come in, they ask for a certain paint and they know what color they want, and they show it to us, you know. And well, we gotta mix it right, because as you can see right here, look at the tap. The Raptor normally comes white, so if you just pour in paint, it'll come lighter than what it is. Like you see right here, if you pour that inside the Raptor, it's gonna come out a different color. So you gotta know what how much to pour and exactly what color they want that they asked you for. So right here, I already know what how much I poured in here and what the customer color of the customer that he wanted. So right now I'm just gonna pour this in there. Okay. And as you can see, right, it's white. Okay, shake it. It's alright, just go for it, shake it. Okay, that's good. Now, you see, it's not white, but as you can see, it's not the same color. This one's darker, but since the Raptor was white, it made it lighter. So, you know, you gotta get it right to where the customer wants it. So that's it.
All right, David. So I know why you're here. You're here because you want to use tools, don't you?
Yes.
All right. Well, I'll let you use some tools, but right now, safety first. So put on your glasses, put on your little mask. Okay, so check it out. This right here, we call this a dual action sander, okay? Now, this right here, this is a trigger. You press on it, and it spins, okay? Now, I want you to press on it. Now watch. First of all, I just want you to know that it's not gonna hurt you, okay? Look, press it. You see? It's not gonna hurt you, all right? So in case that you touch it, I don't want you to get scared. Now, right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it right here on the car, you're gonna press it, and then you're gonna take off. You're gonna see how this damaged part is gonna start coming off, okay? All you have to do is that. Okay? Okay, let's try it. All right, good job, buddy. Now watch. You're doing a great job right there. Now, what you want to do is that you don't just want to go in a straight line. You see how you could kind of bend it a little bit so you could follow the curve right there? You're doing a great job, man. Check it out. This is the first time you do that, right? And you did a great job. All right, buddy? So let's try it again. Now, I want you just to kind of go with the little curve. Okay, check it out. That's a much better job right there. You see how all that damaged part came out? Okay, you're doing a great job, man. Okay, so let's try this area over here. Okay, so now you see how this thing is flat right here? Okay, you always want to keep it flat, because if you go like this, then you're putting it's not working the right way. Okay, so always try to keep it flat and just move it. Not like that. Okay, you want to keep it flat. me see. All right, that looks really good. You did a real good job, buddy. Now, let's go ahead. Remember how I told you, you have to hold it hard and take that off. All right, good job. And put that little gun that I gave you. Now blow all that dust off. Watch out. All right, let's check this out. Yeah, you did a good job, buddy. All the clear coat is gone. That's a pretty good job. All right, David, so you see right there? It looks like you have a, looks like you have a bump right there. If you touch it, you see how it feels that it goes like that? Touch it. See that? Yes. So what you're gonna do right now is that you're gonna get this hammer and you're gonna hit that thing until it's kind of flat. Okay? Think a little bit harder. Go a little bit harder. Okay. All right, now feel it. Does it need more?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, I think that's good to go. Good job. Okay, let's see. All right, good job. All right, so now what we need to do is that we need to put something there that's called body filler, okay? So let's go make some body filler. Okay, David, so this right here is called body filler, okay? So what you're gonna do is with that little scoop that you have right there, you're just gonna mix it all up and make it turn blue. It's all gonna turn blue. There we go, good job, brother, good job. Make it all turn blue. Okay, now it's all blue. What you're gonna do, just pick it up and you're just gonna smear it on there. A little bit more this way. So move all that. There you go. There you go. Good job. That's awesome right there. Okay, so I already showed you how to do it. Remember, you put one hand there, the other hand you grab it from there, and you don't have to press down on it, and you're just gonna make it flat again, okay? Go for it. Yes? Let's check it out. Okay, you have officially fixed your first dent. Good job, all right? Did a great job. It's good?
Yes.
What you doing, David? You having fun?
Yeah.
Man, you almost, in a few hours, you're almost done with this car. Looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Feeling good?
I'm telling you, he's taking your job. That's what he wants.
He's taking the art's job, not mine. Well, guys, I mean, that's it for David. I mean, he was our guest, so right now we're gonna go drop him off. Also, guys, come follow me. Wow. Done taping and tapering, completely done sanding the whole entire truck. Well, that's it for day 2. Tomorrow when we come back, we're gonna clean it with paint thinner, and we'll be ready to shoot the Raptors. So, once again, guys, thank you for your support.
No, wait. You got some kind of leprechaun-looking creature over there. What's that back there?
Ooh.
I just, sorry, I saw somebody peeking off the side.
Well, once again, guys, if you guys need help with your vehicles, you guys already know, email us down below. And other than that, thank you a lot for your support, and like and subscribe.
All right, let's do it one more time with David inside it, because he's a guest, you know. So, okay. So thank you all for.
Oh, I already know how to do it. Once again, guys, thank you for your support, and like and subscribe.